The storms are coming! Where are the other people, dude? Get out of there!
No! I had a fucking jump pad that I could have used, man. Those kids were so fucking bad, dude. I'm so dude. I'm done with this game, man. This game's really bad, dude. It's so bad, man. Are you kidding me? I couldn't build because of this stupid crate, dude? The metal crate? Are you kidding me, dude? Fucking Epic Games has no idea what they're fucking doing, dude. I'm gonna fucking fly out there to the headquarters and show them how to fucking why can't metal break metal? Like, what? This is IRL? It's a video game, okay? I should be able to fucking build wherever I fucking want.